after the end of the project and 420 in each of the 2 following years. What is true for net present value of the project over a 3-year cycle at a discount rate of 10%? And I went for the fourth one.
Fourth one. You have to do some calculations?
Yeah, just worked out net present value.
Yeah. So anyone else whose answer is not answer 4?
Yeah, I went for A. The net present value is positive, which makes the project attractive.
Mm-hmm.
Same with me.
So Myra also A, because NPV is looking positive.
Yeah.
And Tanya, to you, it was looking negative.
Yeah, it's negative.
Oops.
Yeah, I'm with the number 4 as well.
Yeah. What about you, Grace?
I am 4. Sorry about earlier. Apologies, my laptop died on me.
Not a problem.
So I'm 4 on
yes.
this one.
So if you use NPV formula to calculate it, you will find out NPV is negative. It's not positive. Okay. 1 million is initial investment. No doubt in 3 years, you are going to earn around 1.07 million. But over the period of 3 years with interest rate of 10% or discount rate of 10%, that make NPV negative and it is unattractive. Option 4 is correct. Next.
What does the term best practice often refer to?
Yeah.
So I put number 2,
Okay.
but it was, I could see benefits in a couple of them.
Yeah, so we didn't define best practices. So it is expected that different people have different interpretation of best practices. So not a problem. Anybody else who got answer 2?
Same answer for me.
2.
Yep.
A set of tools and techniques the project manager should master. Anyone else?
Number 4.
Why?
Specific sequence of work described in terms of soft logic.
So best practices are not prescriptive.
A.
A standardized set of deliverables like plans, reports, and checklists. No, they are not best practices. Best practices are our soft logic, our sequence of work described in soft logic, not in a prescriptive manner. So answer 4 is correct. And then, next, 6. Grace, can you please help me to read?
The Communications Management Plan is a document which includes descriptions of project level performance reports, activity level status reports, stakeholder communication requirements, project benefit analysis results. And my answer to that is 3, stakeholder communication requirements.
Easy, isn't it?
Yeah, great.
Next, Tanya.
Something usually not a manifestation of unique organizational cultures and styles. And I went for individual traits and attitudes of co-workers.
Okay, anyone else with the answer 2? Who is agreed with this answer?
Yeah, me.
I've got the same answer.
Yeah, I've got the same.
Okay, then it's true. Next, question 8, Pedro.
Which of the following is generally not regarded as an element of active listening? I chose C, interpreting the information.
Mhm. All other are part of active listening.
Yeah, they're all quite tricky question, that is.
Yeah, this is tricky question.
I think for 4, interrupting.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Same.
I can understand because this world is like this, isn't it?
Mm.
Interrupting is not preferred. So, however, the answer is C. Making eye contact is a part of active listening. Paraphrasing is also active listening. You mean, again, this world, this particular world, when appropriate, is making it acceptable. And interpretation of the information is not part of active listening. That's just interpretation. That is like you just interpret. So
It's similar to paraphrasing, though, or you could think of it in that way.
yeah, thinking about that instead of like doing the paraphrasing, repeating what is said or paraphrasing what is said. So option C. Yeah. No. For 8 it would be, sorry, interrupting when appropriate. This is the answer. Interrupting when appropriate. This is not active listening, isn't it? C, 4. Option 4.
Yep, that was my answer.
Yeah.
Actually, it
So
was my first answer, but I was confused when appropriate. That's the,
yes. So I think
that
this thing made it confusing. All these things are like type of like part of active listening. So this is the answer 4. Next. Even more tricky because because you didn't study control chart in this way, isn't it?
Yep.
Hmm.
That is tricky.
So it was about precision and accuracy. Firstly, do you know what is precision? What is accuracy?
yeah, accuracy is the nearness to the true value.
Yes, nearness to the true value. I agree. Here, near to this mean. This is more accurate. This particular X is more accurate. Okay. On the other side, what is precision, Pedro?
Precision is the grouping.
Yes.
The values are near each other, but may not be near the true value.
Fantastic answer. So that's the difference between accuracy and precision. Okay. What we call that particular game where we throw an arrow on a board. Anyone remember the name of that game?
Which one is it, Faiz?
Like we throw arrows, small arrows on a board. That board has like multiple circles.
Like darts.
Yeah. Dot, isn't it?
I can't remember.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you hit in the center, this is your accuracy. When you hit on the side but hit multiple arrows near to each other, this is your precision. Both have their points. Okay, so now to improve the accuracy, what you need to do, and to improve the precision, what you need to do. But firstly, we have to look on this figure. Is it like the values are more accurate or more precise? Let's have a look. The process has a high precision but low accuracy. It should be
Adjusted.
So what do you think? This process has more accuracy or precision?
More
Precision.
precision, less accuracy.
More precision, less accuracy.
Yeah.
That's correct.
Okay, so let's look on the answers. The process has high precision but low accuracy. It should be improved.
But doctor, what is the difference? It should be adjusted or it should be improved. What is the difference between these?
Adjusted is like adjust your mean.
Adjust your mean. I think this one adjusted, but improved. What does the improved means?
The improve is like when your mean. So you can think of improvement is normally used when you have high accuracy but low precision.
So that means we have to adjust our values itself, improve the values.
The mean. Yeah. So what could be the answer?
The first one.
Yeah.
But everybody else got same answer or different?
I went for A.
Yes,
And
A is
first
correct
time.
answer. Because it was about precision. Sorry, precision was high. It was issue about accuracy. Accuracy could be achieved by adjusting the mean. Okay, next. 10. Grace, yes.
As a project manager, you decided to arrange a team meeting to identify and analyze lessons learned from quality control with stakeholders. What should you do with them? Document them and make them part of the historical database for the project and the performing organization. Discuss them with management and make sure that they remain otherwise confidential. Publish them in the corporate newsletter. Follow your strategic decisions independent from lessons learned. These decisions have been made and should have been implemented, whatever the outcomes are. My answer to this is A.
Anyone else with A?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Same.
Okay, yeah, correct. Next, 11.
Which the following document is not used as input for the validate scope process? And I put 4, RACI matrix.
That is option 4.
Yes.
Yes, it was.
Anybody else who got 4?
Yes, me too.
Yep, that's my answer.
I have mine is B.
That is the verified deliverables.
Deliverables.
B. Completed and checked for correctness by the control quality. Which of the following document is not used as an input?
This one used.
Yeah, because that is already the result, not the input.
No. Deliverables need to go through control quality, then go to validate scope. It means it is input. So answer is 4. Next.
How should change management be planned for?
How should change management be planned for? Yes.
For me, see, change management can be planned in a set of management plans and a specific change management plan.
Who else got answer 3?
Yes.
Me.
Yeah.
Good. So answer 3. 13, Myra?
According to Bruce Tuckman, what are the stages of team development? My answer is 2.
Yeah, easy busy, isn't it?
Agreed.
Yeah. So 14, Tanya?
What is not a reason for companies to organize lessons learned? There's some good answers here. But I went for number 2.
Same.
Everybody else?
Same.
Same for me.
Went for 2. So this is not the reason, huh?
Yeah, that's not the reason.
Right.
Find someone to torture them.
Yes. So 2 is not the reason. All others are the reasons for recording the lesson learned. 15, Grace.
How does the project management team stay in touch with the work and the attitudes of project team members?
Mhm.
Mine is by observation and communication.
Mhm.
Same.
Same.
Yeah, easy.
Yeah.
16, Mara?
Which document is developed along with the risk management processes from identify risk through plan and implement risk responses to monitor risk? Answer is risk register.
A living document. 17, Pedro?
A customer is requiring a minor scope change and expect you to do this without delays and additional cost. You believe that you can have adequate authorization to make the decision by yourself, but you are not quite sure what should be your next steps. So I went for D, handle the request according to the integrated change control processes described in your management plan, then make a decision together with appropriate change control body whether the increased customer satisfaction will be worth the extra cost, work, risks, etc.
Who else is with the answer 4 of D?
Me?
Yes.
Me.
I'm
Okay, awesome. Let's move further. 18, Mara?
A facilitator should. My answer was 4. Give guidance as required without interfering.
Fantastic. And Eman, 19?
As the project manager in a software project which is current initiated, you want to assess high level risks. What should you do? Develop the project charter and a risk management plan to start identifying risks based on those and other documents.
I got wrong on this one.
So what's the answer? E, number 1?
Yeah, number 1.
Okay. So it's 1. And Tanya, the last one?
In most jurisdictions, a legally required order of formal statements establishing a contract is, and
Okay.
I went off an acceptance, but
That is answer?
I don't know, is it?
Answer 3.
Yeah, we studied today, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
My answer was 4.
Mine was 4.
Yeah, me is 4.
Because we didn't study procurement yesterday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes, 'cause I
today,
came across software and acceptance.
today we study about a contract requires an offer, an acceptance, a legal capacity, consideration, a legal capacity, and a legal work. 5 bits. Okay, so offer and acceptance, that is number 3.
Yep.
Yeah. So contract could only be made when an offer is made and that offer is accepted and considerations are done and there is a legal capacity of both the organization to make the contract and the purpose should be legal for that contract. So these are the requirements. So that was quiz 1. Tomorrow, can you guys please complete quiz 2?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's try to do quiz 2 tomorrow before coming and we will discuss quiz 2 in the start. And after that, during the session, we will do quiz 3 and 4. I will give you some time to complete it and then we will discuss it. So in other words, we will complete all 4 quizzes tomorrow. Is it all right? Okay. Okay, thank you everyone. And that's end of the session. Have a good night.
Good night.
Good night all. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Good night, all.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye. Bye.
Thank you.